Hi, I'm Becky Streepy from Glue and Glitter, and today I'm going to show you how to seed a pomegranate without making your kitchen look like something out of a horror movie. Y'all, I love pomegranates. I love how sweet and tart they are. I love how crunchy the seeds are. What I don't love is how cutting and seeding them can make your kitchen just be covered in stainy, bright red pomegranate juice. The good news is there is a really simple way to seed a pomegranate and keep that juice situation under control. Let's do it! The first thing you want to do is cut your pomegranate into quarters. I have tried doing this by just slicing in half, and quarters are just a whole lot easier to do, and it doesn't make that big of a mess if you just take your time slicing. Now take your pomegranate quarters and submerge them in a big old bowl of water. This bowl of water is going to contain all of the juice that would be flying everywhere and staining your clothes and getting all over your kitchen counters. Once your pieces are submerged, just get in there and kind of gently remove the seeds. Pomegranate seeds aren't as fragile as they look, but you don't want to be too rough with them because you can squish them. So just kind of get in there and gently remove all the seeds from the inside. Then pull out the big pieces and you'll see that most of that white pith will float to the top of the bowl. And I just use my hands to kind of pull that out of there. Once you've got the bulk of the pith removed, you are ready to get those pomegranate seeds. You can drain them in a colander, but I tend to just grab them by the handful and transfer them to my serving dish because why dirty another thing if I don't totally have to? I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to seed a pomegranate. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!